Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1894, record numbers of tourists were reported in town, with more on the way, according to hotel proprietor J.B. Spencer. Spencer's Hotel stood for many years at the turn of the 20th century on Queen Street in Williamsburg. This week in 1914, the Jones Brothers and Wilson's Trained Animal Circus came to town. Advertisements stated that their show was good, clean fun, with entertainments including wild animals, comedic clowns, and high-class European novelties. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.